Are you tired of struggling to manage your blood sugar levels while still enjoying your meals? Well, today, we have an eye-opening revelation for you. In this video, we will uncover the 10 poisonous carbs that diabetics often unknowingly consume. Stay tuned, as we also share some delicious low-carb and low-sugar recipes for diabetics. Let's get started. Number 10. White rice. Despite its popularity, white rice is a high glycemic index food that can cause a sharp rise in blood sugar levels. Instead, opt for healthier alternatives like cauliflower rice or quinoa. Number 9. White bread. This staple food may be delicious, but it's loaded with refined carbohydrates that quickly convert to sugar in your body. Consider swapping it with whole grain bread or lettuce wraps for a healthier option. Number 8. Sugary breakfast cereals. Starting your day with a bowl of sugary cereals can cause blood sugar spikes. Switch to high-fiber, low-sugar options like oatmeal or homemade granola. Number 7. Fruit juices. While fruits are generally healthy, their juices are concentrated sources of sugar. Opt for whole fruits instead, as they contain fiber that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Number 6. Potato chips. These crispy snacks are highly processed and contain unhealthy trans fats and high amounts of carbohydrates. Swap them for baked vegetable chips or roasted nuts. Number 5. Sweetened yogurts. Many flavored yogurts are packed with added sugars. Choose plain Greek yogurt and add fresh berries or a sprinkle of cinnamon for natural sweetness. Number 4. Candy and sweets. It's no surprise that candies and sweets are high in sugar. Satisfy your sweet tooth with healthier alternatives like dark chocolate or sugar-free treats in moderation. Number 3. Pasta. Traditional pasta is high in carbohydrates, which can wreak havoc on your blood sugar. Explore alternatives like zucchini noodles or lentil pasta for a healthier pasta experience. Number 2. Sugary beverages. Sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened teas can cause a rapid rise in blood sugar levels. Stay hydrated with water, herbal tea, or unsweetened beverages. Number 1. Processed snacks. Snack foods like cookies, crackers, and pretzels often contain hidden sugars and unhealthy fats. Choose nutrient-dense snacks like nuts, seeds, or veggie sticks for a satisfying crunch. Now that you know the 10 poisonous carbs diabetics often keep eating, it's time to take control of your diet. Let's finish off with a couple of delicious low-carb and low-sugar recipes that you can enjoy guilt-free. Recipe 1. Grilled chicken and vegetable skewers. Marinate lean chicken in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs. Thread the chicken and your favorite low-carb veggies onto skewers. Grill until cooked through and enjoy. Recipe 2. Cauliflower fried rice. Pulse cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble rice grains. Sauté the cauliflower rice with mixed vegetables, lean protein, and low-sodium soy sauce for a delicious and healthy alternative to traditional fried rice. Remember, managing your blood sugar levels doesn't mean sacrificing taste. By making simple swaps and incorporating low-carb and low-sugar recipes into your diet, you can enjoy delicious meals while maintaining your health. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more diabetes-friendly recipes and helpful tips. Take care of yourself and make wise choices when it comes to your diet. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.